Hello guys, in this video we're gonna do this nice effect, so let's start. Okay, so here we have two layers. One layer is a space text and one layer is a space background. So the picture in space background and the font in space text are gonna be links in the description below. You can download it anytime. So let's turn on the effects and you can see there's a gradient overlay and there's a bevel and emboss. So let's right click on it and blending options. I'm gonna turn it off temporarily just to teach you how. And first I added a gradient overlay, and you can see here in the gradient overlay I put it on linear and I put the colors. The first color is D12 D9C and the second color is 5EA 2EF. I put it on linear and angle 90, and then I added bevel and emboss. I put it on inner bevel, smooth, 365 depth, and the size you can put it whatever you want. I thought 8 looks best for me. And the rest, press OK, and then I'm gonna duplicate this, Control J. I'm gonna duplicate it 3 times. You would have 3 copies. So select the 3 copies and right click on it and then rasterize type, and then right click again and merge layers, and you would have one layer. Then you would go to filter, blur, radial blur, and put it on 100, best quality and zoom. Okay. And now you'd have this nice effect, but we can't actually see it. So let's go to space background and add some levels. Adjustment layers, levels, and let's put here like 37 maybe, and here I'm gonna put it at, I think 67 works. So let's go back and now go back to space text, copy 3, and now I'm gonna do it again, filter, radial blur again, and it becomes stronger as you can see. So we can actually duplicate it, Control J, duplicate this one. So the first one here, I'm gonna put it at linear dodge, and the next one, I'm gonna put it at hard light. So you see here, it's quite bright now and it has a nice contrast. But I think let's go back to the linear dodge one and decrease the opacity to like 40 maybe, or 39. Okay, this looks much better now. Okay, and now let's go to the space text original one, and let's go to filter and add blur, radial blur, and rasterize, and let's put it at like 15, press OK, and now it's kind of blended in. So now there's one thing left. We can add another layer, and I'm gonna name it moon, and I'm gonna get the brush, and in the brushes you can see I have a brush called Moon Brushes, so I'm gonna put the link in the description below. You can download this one too. Take the Moon 17, put it at like 500 size, and click here. And the layers, you can drag it behind all the space text. And I think that's it. And one more thing you can do, you can go to Image, Adjustment, and Brightness, and increase slightly the brightness, and it pops more. And we're done.